This is how to defrost a Samsung fridge ice maker. Press and hold the freezer and lighting buttons for about 10 seconds. And then toggle until you get FD. It'll start beeping, means it's in defrost mode. Then remove the drawer, throw all the ice out, get a hot bag, fill it with water, put it in the microwave, put it this way, and you'll see it'll start melting all the ice. Let it do its thing. It's gonna keep beeping until it's finished. It'll do a cycle for around half an hour. The ice will melt slow by slow, so it'll throw it in the sink. And this is what we got falling down. Don't try to force it. Sometimes if you force it, it might break the plastic. You don't want to do that.